Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video, good job opportunity from Amazon company, one job role, two different locations. So we will discuss complete details. Before going into a main content, small request to the viewers, those who are visiting channel for the first time, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. Company, Amazon, work location, Hyderabad and Bangalore, designation, seller support associate. First, Hyderabad viewers, job description includes, as an associate, you will be an interface between Amazon and as well as their business partners. As a seller partner support associate, you are responsible for providing timely, accurate operational support to the merchant sellings on Amazon platform. You are expected to address chronic system issues. You need to make process improvements, develop internal documentation, contribute to team environment, all while adhering to service level agreements for phone, email cases. Basic qualification to apply for this position, any graduation. If you done your graduation in any stream, you can apply for this particular position. The only thing is candidate need to possess excellent communication skills in English. Experience within customer service environment is preferred. Freshers can also apply, but if you have experience in customer service environment, preferred. Desire to expand skills in new areas, and candidate need to have knowledge in technical, computers and internet is required. Committed seller advocate, drive process, tools improvement. Basically, they are looking for a candidates who have enthusiasm and strong self motivation skills, who can prioritize the task and complete the work on time with high degree of flexibility. Constant change with flexibility and good grace, and candidate need to possess demonstration skills with effective communication and professional attitude. Very important point as we are dealing with professionals. Desired skill set include, candidate need to have knowledge regarding MS Office, especially Excel, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. Interested candidates can apply. I am going to provide direct Amazon link in description. Through link you can apply for this particular position. We had 24/7 environment, 5 working days, 2 week offs, that too rotational, not necessarily Saturday Sunday will be an off. We had 2 week offs, that too rotational. And this is seller support associate, Bangalore location viewers. Same eligibility criteria, graduates with excellent communication skills. What are points we are discussed till now, same points, but this time work location is Bangalore. 5 working days, 2 week offs, rotational shifts, 24/7 environment, and candidate need to possess knowledge regarding MS Office, especially Excel, Internet Explorer knowledge, Mozilla Firefox knowledge. So interested candidates can apply. I am going to provide 2 important links in the description and as well as online job portal links. Even I am going to provide in description viewers. Please do refer once. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews. Please do subscribe Adira Job Creation YouTube channel. Hit bell icon to receive all latest job updates time to time. Thank you very much.